I'm Bob Harris of Decorative Concrete Institute. Welcome to Concrete Network's Floor Me series. The timeline for new concrete installations, meaning you're building a home and it's your desire to have concrete floors inside of your new home, the time frame could really vary depending on the circumstance. It's not uncommon for months to elapse before you come back and put your final architectural treatment on that floor. Having said that, it is really critical that all parties involved during the construction process are aware that this concrete is in fact your final flooring option. What we used to like to do is have pre-construction meetings and bring all of the parties together and make sure that everybody is aware that these floors have to be not only installed perfectly but also protected during the construction process. The pre-construction meeting would certainly include the concrete contractor that's installing your new concrete floors, the builder, and even possibly the architect. It's really important that during the build of your new home that these floors are protected from chips, gouges, spills, and as I mentioned earlier, several months will go by before you're able to get back out on to your concrete floors to do your final treatment. There are several ways that you can protect the floors. Certainly, the important thing is during the first curing process of the concrete that nothing is put on the floor, meaning wood, foreign materials like metal that could rust, because that could permanently stain the concrete as the concrete is trying to cure and allow moisture to pass out of it. On curing, typically we'll use either water or curing blankets to cure your floor, and once it's cured for the specified amount of time, which is somewhere in the vicinity of about 7 days, then you could consider coming back and protecting the floors. So it is really important that all parties involved know that, hey, this is our finished flooring. We need to treat it as if it was actual marble or granite, and as far as working over the top of it. It is a good idea to consult with your professional contractor as to when is the best time for your contractor to move in and put their final decorative concrete treatment on your floor. Different contractors have different time frames in which they like to move in. For us, we like to have the drywall installed, have the drywall taped and sanded, and in most cases even a coat of primer, making sure that the floors are protected during this construction phase. The reason for that is if we do our decorative treatment prior to that installation, say even before the framing has been done and certainly the drywall has been installed, there's a really good chance that it's likely that the floor will become damaged simply because they have to move all of the construction equipment and materials over your finished floor. So for us, what worked the best is to go ahead and have the building what we call dried in. All of the drywall's done, sanded and primed, no baseboards have been installed, is when we like to move in and do our decorative treatments. We'll even seal the floor, put one coat of wax, assuming that's the system that was chosen for that application. Even consider recovering that and let them do their final build out, and then before they move in, we'll come back and put our last coat of either sealer or wax on the floor. Remember, do your homework. There are plenty of concrete flooring possibilities to choose from that will meet your individual needs. Be sure to check out all of the Floor Me videos at concretenetwork.com. I'm Bob Harris. Thanks for watching.